This is the Miele dishwasher with a designer custom cabinet.
Research complete.
So with the Miele, you open it. It's 3 trays. It's a little bit complicated to use, but up here use the utensils. Little area for chopsticks and things like that. And there's different ways to move this compartment depending on what you're sort of doing. Just sort of load the items up like so. There's extra areas. I would advise you watch the tutorial on how to properly load it. One thing that you'll notice is that it does not have the jets. My old dishwasher had bottle jets, and the reason why they don't have the bottle jets is the technology within it cleans everything well and doesn't need to do a high pressure special jet. Right here is where you would insert the dishwasher tab. Like so. This is where you would put your rinse liquid. And all these different mechanisms, as you can see, normal pots, programs. And what I like to do is just a simple normal load. Need to refill the rinse aid, hit OK, tells you how much time, and it begins. So you just push the normal on, continue, close. It's hard to tell, but it's so quiet that sometimes I don't even know that it's going on, that it's even washing. Decibel level is under 40. Special designer door for it. What's really cool is the door automatically pops out like this, which lets the steam out, lets it dry automatically. And then see this? It's kind of stuck, but what you do is just pull a little bit harder. That part retracts. And dishes are all clean, spotless. Highly recommend getting the Miele if you can dishwasher. That's it.